In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing the battery in your Audi Q3 key fob. This is really easy to do at home. All you'll need is a replacement battery and a flathead screwdriver. And the battery you'll need is a CR2032. You'll just need one of those. If you're interested, go check the link down in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. To open this up, you just want to flip it over to the back. Look down here on the bottom. Under this metal keyring in the plastic, there's an opening. You can see that right there. Just take your flathead and insert it under that lip in the plastic and pry, and the back will come right off. Now we just need to get this battery out of here. You can see there's this hole right there. We need something that'll fit in that hole to help us pry the battery out. So I'm going to just grab this smaller sized flathead, and you can see how easy that is. If you don't have something like this, you could maybe use like a paper clip or just anything that can get under the battery and pry it out. If you don't have anything, I will recommend this that I'm using here. It's just a set. Comes in this one comes in a set, and it's pretty cheap on Amazon. That will be in the description as well. But just get your battery out there, and the rest is really simple. Take your new battery, make sure that the positive side is facing up, and just slide it into place. You want to push it down, make sure that it's sitting flat in there. And now we can just put the back on there. Squeeze it down. And if you want to make sure that the light is coming on, that would be a good idea to make sure you did everything correctly. And with that, you are finished. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.